Lisa had tried everything fad diets, intense workouts, and countless meal plans, but nothing seemed to work. One day, she stumbled upon a tiny seed with massive benefits: chia seeds, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3s. They kept her full and boosted her metabolism. But the real game changer? Pairing them with the right foods. If you're on a weight loss journey, here are 10 perfect foods to pair with chia seeds to maximize results. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which helps curb cravings and keeps you full for longer. Adding chia seeds creates a creamy, fiber-packed snack that stabilizes blood sugar and boosts digestion. Berries, the antioxidant boost. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants. When mixed with chia seeds, they enhance digestion, reduce inflammation, and keep sugar cravings in check. Oatmeal, the ultimate breakfast duo. Oatmeal is already a great source of fiber, and adding chia seeds makes it even better. This combo slows digestion, keeps you satisfied, and provides long-lasting energy, perfect for weight loss. Almond milk, the low-calorie liquid. Ditch sugary drinks and opt for almond milk mixed with chia seeds. It creates a pudding-like texture, keeping you hydrated and full while cutting down on unnecessary calories. Avocado, the healthy fat champion. Chia seeds and avocados are both packed with healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients. Together, they help reduce hunger, improve digestion, and promote fat loss. Green smoothies, the metabolism booster. Blend spinach, kale, or cucumber with chia seeds for a nutrient-rich smoothie. This mix helps detoxify your body, rev up your metabolism, and prevent bloating. Eggs, the protein and fiber duo. Adding chia seeds to scrambled eggs or omelets provides extra fiber and omega-3s, making your meal more filling and nutritious. Lemon water, the fat-burning elixir. Mixing chia seeds with lemon water creates a refreshing drink that aids digestion, curbs appetite, and promotes fat burning. Cottage cheese, the low-calorie protein. Cottage cheese is high in protein but low in calories, making it a great weight loss food. When combined with chia seeds, it enhances satiety and supports muscle building. Dark chocolate, the guilt-free treat. Yes, you can enjoy chocolate. Dark chocolate with chia seeds provides fiber, antioxidants, and a healthy dose of satisfaction. Perfect for curbing sweet cravings without ruining your diet. The right way to end your weight loss journey. Weight loss isn't about restriction, it's about smart choices. By adding chia seeds to these nutrient-dense foods, you'll stay full longer, improve digestion, and naturally shed extra pounds.